Hello students, good morning. Already we had started this chapter, National Leaders. And on that day, that was some technical issue, that's why we could not complete this chapter. So today we are going to read the same chapter and we will complete this one, okay? So students, those who have SST book, you can open with me page number 77. Page number 77. Look at here. About Lal Bahadur Shastri. Okay. So Lal Bahadur Shastri, he was born on 2 October 1904 at Mughal Uttar Pradesh. And later, that means after some years, he joined the Indian independence movement, where Indian independence movement in 1920. That means before 100 years. Now it is 2020. At that time, in the year 1920, he joined this movement and he became the loyal follower of Gandhiji and Pandit Nehru. That means Gandhiji and Pandit Nehru were two idols for Lal Bahadur Shastri. And after independence, he was made the railway minister, then home minister. Even he took part and he led the movement. That was not the movement, that was a war between India and Pakistan war. Okay, and it was, and this war held in the year 1965, and he was famous for his slogan, and that is called Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. Jai Jawan and Jai Kisan. Okay, and he died on January 11, that means 11th January 1966, after that war, where at Tashkent, Soviet Union. It is in Soviet Union. Okay, our next leader is Sarojini Naidu, and Sarojini Naidu is very famous in the name Nightingale of India, and she was a famous poet and politician, and she served as the first governor of United Provinces of Independence India from 1940 to 1949. That means she worked 2 years. Now come to about her life. Sarojini Naidu, when was she born? She was born on 13 February 1879 in Hyderabad. That means now it is in Telangana. At that time it was in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, and at the age of 16, that means when she was young, she was sent to study. Yes, she was sent to London for the study. Okay, and after returning from London, she joined freedom struggle. Who? Sarojini Naidu. She looked over the situation and she joined some of the movements. Even she worked with Gandhiji, Mahatma Gandhi. And she was the first Indian woman to become the president of Indian National Congress. That means Sarojini Naidu was the first Indian woman who became the president of Indian National Congress as a lady. Okay. And she accompanied Gandhiji to lead second round table conference in London. That means she was there with Gandhiji in second round table, the conference in London. And most of the time the conference was held or organized in London. Most of the decision and law which was implement that particular meetings was fixed in London. And she was arrested twice. 2 times she was arrested. Okay, and she died on March 2nd March. When was she died? She died on 2nd March 1949 at Lucknow. Okay. So students, this chapter is over. Now this is your duty. Please take out your pencil, sharpener and eraser. Now we will do the exercise. Okay. Now look at here. Exercise number A, practice season, question number A, tick the correct option. And you will get, here are 5 questions and each question there are 4 options. So which one is correct? You just tick it. Okay. So one by one we will do. The first one, number 1, Gandhiji remained in South Africa for 40 years, A 40 years, B 10 years, C 20 years and D 5 years. How many years he stayed there? He stayed there 20 years. The option number C. Okay, like this we will find out the correct option. Question number 2. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Pandit Nehru, C. Sardar Patel and D. None of these. Number B. Pandit Nehru. Okay, number 3rd. In which year did Subhash Chandra Bose get his BA degree? And option number A, the correct answer is 1919. Okay. Then question number 4. Who was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? And the answer is number B, Sardar Patel. Then question number 5. When did Lala Lajpat Rai join the Gaddar Party? And the correct option is C, 1914. Okay. Now come to question number B. Then question number B, answer the following question we will do later. Then come to question number C, fill in the blanks. Okay. Now look at here. The question number 1. Gandhiji was born on dash 1869. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October. Number 2. Nehru headed the interim government formed in dash 1946. Third question. Netaji was dash at study from childhood itself. Brilliant. Number 4. Sardar Patel led successful dash movement. And Sardar Patel led 3 movement here. But here is the confusion. Okay. Look at here. Sardar Patel led 3 movement. Okay. So here it is only small dash is here. So I wrote here peasant of Kheda. So you will write there peasant of Kheda. Okay. Then question number 5. Dash gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. Yes. I told you before who Lal Bahadur Shastri gave the slogan. Okay. Then question number 6. Sarojini Naidu was arrested how many times? Twice. Sarojini Naidu was arrested twice. The next page. Write true or false. Which one is true? You just write true, and which one is false? You write false. Okay. Question number 1. Gandhiji studied law in England. Yes, it is correct. It is true. Number 2. Nehru became the president of Indian National Congress in 1929. Yes, this is true. Number 3. Netaji became the voice of the old people of India. No, it is false. He became the voice of young people. Okay. Question number 4. Sardar Patel went to study science in England. This is false. He went to England for law. Okay. Then question number 5. Shastriji led the country during the India-Pakistan War of 1965. Yes, it is true. Now look at here. Match the following. There are 6 questions and 6 options. So which one is correct? You just follow it. Okay. Mahatma Gandhi. Option B, father of nation. Number 2, Swaraj. Complete independence. Subhash Chandra Bose was called Netaji. Sardar Patel is called Iron Man of India. Swarajya, self-rule. Lala Lajpat Rai, Lion of Punjab. Okay. Now which one we left? Number B, answer the following question. Okay. Now come to the question answer. Look at here. So first question is that name the movements launched by Gandhiji. And the answer is that the movements led by Gandhiji were Satyagraha, Non-Cooperation Movement, Civil Disobedience Movement, Quiet India Movement, etc. Once again, the movement led by Gandhiji were Satyagraha, Non-Cooperation Movement, Civil Disobedience Movement, Quiet India Movement, etc. Okay. Then question number 2. When and where was Jawaharlal Nehru born? Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 at Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. Once again, Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 at Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 3. What did Subhash Chandra Bose form? And the answer is that Subhash Chandra Bose formed Azad Hind Fauj. Subhash Chandra Bose formed Azad Hind Fauj. Then question number 4. What major role did Sardar Patel play? Sardar Patel played an important role. He gave of his profession and joined the freedom struggle. He assisted Gandhiji in non-cooperation movement, the civil disobedience movement, and Quiet India movement. Again, Sardar Patel played an important role. He gave of his profession and joined the freedom struggle. He assisted Gandhiji in non-cooperation movement, the civil disobedience movement, and Quiet India movement. Okay. Then question number 5. What was Tilak's slogan? Tilak's slogan was Swarajya is my birthright and I shall have it. Once again, Tilak's slogan was Swarajya is my birthright and I shall have it. Okay, then question number 6. What is Sarojini Naidu popularly known as? And Sarojini Naidu, here it is. I forgot to write. Yes, Sarojini Naidu is popularly known as Nightingale of India. Once again, Sarojini Naidu is popularly known as Nightingale of India. Correct? Now students, this is your duty to please open your fair notebook and write down this exercise. Okay. Number A, tick the correct option. B, answer the following question. C, fill in the blanks. D, write true or false, and E, match the column. If anyone is absent or anyone didn't get this message, please inform them. Okay? So students, take care, stay healthy, God bless you and give you a healthy life. Okay? Thank you.